Hello and welcome back, friends, to the Open Mind with You channel. And I'm your host, Umesh Randani. This video is being released on 16th October 21, but I'm recording this video after having a sumptuous lunch on Dashera Day. So now you can imagine the kind of efforts that I'm putting in just to release the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video, and the ones that have already been sent, released, and the ones that are going to come in the time to come. So friends, today I'm back with a presentation rather than a face-to-face. This presentation is necessary because I'm going to share with you something very interesting that I came across while getting entertained. Now, if you remember, I had a shorts released a few weeks ago saying that the quality of your entertainment defines your thoughts, actions, and many more things in life. So somehow I have been fortunate enough to connect with, the series which I keep watching, and I've been able to get something out of it. I try to get something out of it, at least one good line per season. If I can get that, nothing like it. So here it is. I'm sharing with you something that I have actually come to know from the series that I'm currently watching. And that thing is the feeling, the state of being the invincible, जो जिसकी कभी हार नहीं होती, जिसको कोई हरा नहीं सकता, उससे मिलिए, the invincible. And that invincible is none other than The Flash. This is the series that I have been watching since the last few weeks, and I'm into the fourth season, just entered the fourth season, and it is mind blowing. It is Flash means आप सोच नहीं सकते बुलेट ट्रेन की स्पीड से ये सीरीज चलती है, ऐसा समझिए. इतनी तेज रफ्तार से जा रही है ये सीरीज. एंड व्हाट the most important thing is that this series has the depth of something that I have never seen in a Western, series. And I am very happy that I ended up selecting this, mainly because फ्लैश गॉर्डन करके एक कॉमिक आती थी जब भी मैं छोटा था. एंड पॉसिबली दिस एक्चुअली इज अ रीमेक. दिस इज एक्चुअली बेस्ड ऑन द कॉमिक्स बाय डीसी, एंड मे बी दैट वाज आल्सो डीसी, बट तभी मुझे मालूम नहीं था. सो देखते हैं आज व्हाट एम आई गोइंग टू शेयर टुडे विथ यू. एंड हियर इट इज, फ्रेंड्स. So Meet the Invincible source is the Flash sci-fi series, and there was a scene in this particular series, I think in season 3. I will not be able to divulge more details, because then for those of you who may be interested in having a look at this series, I will be revealing the details. But the crux of the discussion was this. And you can pause the video and read it, but what it means is that the greater the pain, the greater your ability to absorb the pain over a longer period of time, and you develop some unusual ability to withstand all odds, all challenges, pains, and the like. And you become so strong that it becomes absolutely impossible for somebody to defeat you. This is mainly achieved not only by your being physically strong, but your being mentally and emotionally strong as well. Because remember, in the end, emotions play a vital role. And if you have to be ruthless, emotions have little room, in fact, no room. And that is why many of us, most of us, are unable to reach the supreme stage. I'm not only talking about the invincible, I'm talking about in general, life in general as well. So let's see what happened then. So this was my immediate thought, you know. Obviously, I said, okay, I accept that this is a sci-fi series, and this series is interestingly based on the premise of this series is based on the Hindu philosophy, values, and beliefs, and that is why it is very much necessary for us to know what this is all about. But still, I don't fully agree with कि अगर आपने दुख दर्द बहुत सह लिया तो आप ऐसे बन जाओगे कि आपको कोई हरा नहीं सकता है. मैंने तो आज तक ऐसा नहीं देखा है. Every person, even if however strong he or she is, can be defeated. And I'm not sure whether इतना दर्द दुख सहन करके is it really worth to become the invincible? Because that place is going to be lonely. You are not going to have your family around. You cannot say this is the invincible family, because this is definitely talking about an individual. He, she, leave aside. It's about the individual, and that individual is known as the invincible. So if, okay, for a second I assume that, okay, I want to become the invincible, but then I will have to dedicate my entire life in becoming that force, invincible force. And if I do that, when will I enjoy this life? Am I sure that this life is going to be in multiple avatars of Umesh? I am not sure. And I also had this thought that in Hindu philosophy and belief system, we also have a stage of nirvana, or English में जिसे निर्वाणा बोला जाता है, वो स्टेट की जहां पे आप अलिप्त भावना हो जाती है. You completely disassociate, disengage yourself from the world and the worldly things, and that maybe is, a state that everybody believes that should be there. But the invincible is exactly the opposite, in my opinion, though it is a similar state, because the invincible believes that nobody will be able to defeat him, her. So it is, in my opinion, opposite of nirvana. Let's see. But what I thought is, okay, अभी बहुत हो गया, रात हो गई, अभी सो जाओ. And when I woke up, believe me, my friends, and when I woke up, this is day before yesterday. So day before yesterday, when I woke up, it was, after I was doing exercise and all that, the morning stuff. So in between, while I was doing some exercise, I remembered a series of thoughts came to my mind. So I came to the room, I opened my diary, and I started writing down. And what I started writing down is in front of you. It's on the screen. That what is actually shared by this series of The Flash is truly having a deep and powerful meaning, because it is the only series that I have seen so far which has brought Hindu culture and heritage and values into focus. And you will see, you will see as you move along, I have some shorts also planned on this, so you will come to know about that in the days to come, if you keep watching my shorts, that is. And that is, if you learn to overcome your fears and pains, challenges, you must learn, because उसके बिना जिंदगी अधूरी रहने वाली है, हम आगे नहीं चल पाएंगे. अगर छोटे बच्चों को हम बोलेंगे नहीं कि भाई तू उठ के चलने की वो कोशिश नहीं करेगा, तो वो कब जाके बड़ा बनेगा. जो भी वो बनने वाला है, पायलट के जो भी बनने वाला है, कि कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप के, सीए के, सीएफए के, डॉक्टर के, इंजीनियर, जो भी बनने वाला है वो बने, लेकिन पहले वो उठे तो सही, पहले 2-3 कदम तो उठाए, बाद में ही विल रीच दैट थिंग. So baby steps have to be taken without that, and to overcome that fear. So as a baby, so the baby has to take the steps, and once the baby takes the steps, the elder baby, the same avatar of baby, the grown-up baby, has to follow what the baby actually did in the initial formative years, and then keep learning and keep taking pains, challenges, and that is the only way to grow. और जिंदगी में there will be many situations where you will be put in a spot by this magical life, and you will be put in a spot, and sometimes for quite a long period, and there it will be your trial by fire. You will absorb all the pains, because there will be a situation where there is no choice but to absorb. And I'm telling you, because I have gone through this phase in life. I'm not going to share with you something that I have read only. I will try to share what is actually happened with me as well. And this, it is happening with everybody. Everybody, there is not a single person who has not gone through the pain. अगर आप मुझे एक आदमी दिखा दोगे तो मैं आपको मान जाऊंगा दोस्त. आपको मैं यहाँ पे बुला के, मेरे चैनल पे बुला के आपके साथ बातचीत करूंगा. आपके साथ जो भी आपके पास जो विजडम है, that wisdom I will try to learn. But please show me one such person. And I may be highly motivated, self-motivated, disciplined, determined, but motivation is something that has its ups and downs. जैसे लाइफ के खुद के अपने ऊपर नीचे चढ़ाव होते हैं, वैसे motivate is impossible to remain motivated 24/7 and throughout your lifetime. Because if that was the case, everybody would be winners, and it is not that way, no. एक जब भी जीत कभी होती है, तभी सामने वाले की हार होती है, तभी एक दूसरे की जीत होती है. अगर मुंबई इंडियंस को हारना था तो वो हार गए और सामने वाले जीत गए, तो ही किसी को आईपीएल में ऊपर आ सके ना. दैट इज हाउ इट इज. लेकिन क्रिकेट में हमेशा बोला जाता है कि यू नीड टू जस्ट हैंग इन देयर, कीप योर विकेट, and runs will follow. In the same way, in life, you have to keep facing music. I am, and you see, English में ये जो कहावत है, you will have to face the music. Actually, it is with also having a deep thought that it is that pain is not pain. It is actually music, because it will help you progress in life. That is my reading. What about you? What do you feel? And on the last slide, I request you to pay special attention. Why? You, because this is going to be life-changing slide for you if you at all implement this. If you don't, then you will not become anywhere close to the invincible. At least here you will gain 1 or 2 steps closer to the invincible. Periodically, you must review your learnings from pains, gains, wins, failures, and assess what needs to be done in situations like this, so that your performance improves. Now, situations will never be repeated. The same identical situations can never be repeated. Similar situations will come, because that is how the world is. That is how the rule of life is. So the only way you can do all these things is to maintain a journal of life. A journal of life where you record whatever were your experiences, learnings, etc. Now, I have chosen to record my journal of life via these shorts, via these weekly videos, via videos that I also do on Sundays in Hindi and Gujarati, because I want to create for myself, something that I will be happy with. when I do this, I feel happy. भले कोई देखे ना देखे, कोई लाइक करे या ना करे, कोई सब्सक्राइब करे या ना करे, मुझे उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है भाई. In this process, I am becoming a better version of myself. That is my aim, and that is what you should aim at, friends. My purpose will be served if even one or two people who are watching this on a regular basis, and I know there are some people who are doing this, and there is at least one person who is religiously following what is being told, and that is immensely motivating, my friend. I know you are watching this as well, and I hats off to you for implementing this, because this person is not of an age ke wo Mahatma ban jaye. He is a very young fellow, right? And still he is implementing this. I'm really happy with him. And eventually, अगर आप ऐसे करते रहेंगे, journal of life बनाते रहेंगे, तो you will come to know that what is going to happen if चलो कल उठ के things don't go well with you, things don't go your way. Okay, you will have a way to find out, a way to tackle that situation. And as we know, today is the day of Dashera that I am recording this. And Dashera ultimately stands for good will always win over evil. जो बुरा है उसकी हार होगी, जो अच्छा है वो हमेशा जीतेगा, क्योंकि सत्यमेव जयते, सच की हमेशा जीत होती है और झूठ की हमेशा हार होती है. So my friends, please take your next step forward to become the invincible person. I know it is not possible in reality, but at least you can, and me, we can, together we can make at least a few steps if we can take, a few kilometers if we can walk towards the journey of being the invincible. That journey, I'm sure, would be worth the effort. With this note, I thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have liked it, please help me share and spread the knowledge. I will see you again in the next video. फिर मिलेंगे दोस्तों.